Hi, I'm Di. Like me, I'm sure that you have those moments where you're going out, it's last minute, you need to take something, or you'd like to take something, you might not need to. You don't want to rush to the shops, maybe your money's a bit tight and you just want to grab something and make it from the pantry. I'm in that situation today, so I'm sure that you can relate to it. Going on a picnic, which was organised very last minute, and I want to take something along. I am taking some food, but I just wanted to take a sweet treat because we're going to be there for morning tea. So today we're making raspberry jam coconut slice. Very quick and simple. Let's have a look at what ingredients we're going to be using. First up, we're using raspberry jam. We need some vanilla essence. In the front here I've got some margarine. It does call for butter, but I don't have butter on hand, so I'm using margarine. We've got plain flour. In there we've got caster sugar, desiccated coconut and eggs. Okay, so we need to put the flour into our bowl. We're adding our sugar as well, and we're adding our margarine. Now we just have to work that through. Making it into breadcrumbs to resemble breadcrumbs. So we just work that through with our fingertips. If you've got a food processor, you might like to put it in the food processor, but I find this is just quick and easy, and then I don't have the food processor to clean up at the end. So, and as I said, I am in a little bit of a hurry today. Okay, so I need to add 1 egg to this mixture and mix it through like a dough. There, you can see it coming together there. Now, you can see that that's like a very doughy mixture there. We're putting it into a baking dish. Now I have already greased this baking dish. It's going to be better if I use my hands there. It's a lot easier. So we're just pressing that down, making it nice and even. And I'm going to put it into an oven which I've preheated to 180 degrees Celsius. We're going to cook that until it's brown. Okay, while that's cooking, we'll do our next step. So we've got our 2 eggs here. Just need to whisk those. So just whisking those, and half a cup of caster sugar. Now we have to stir in the coconut. Now when the base is cooked, we'll spread jam on top of that, and then we put the topping on. So we just need to mix that through thoroughly. And I'll bring you back once that base is cooked. If you're enjoying this video and you want to make sure that you don't miss any of my future videos, what you need to do is to hit the subscribe button, and while you're there, ding, ding, ding on that notification bell, and then every time I have a new video, you'll be notified.